All right, we have a 2000 Toyota Tacoma. It's a little sr5. It's four-wheel drive. Customer said that it wouldn't go in reverse. I got in it, and you could go up in, first, second, third, fourth, get up into fifth. But I noticed when you go in reverse, it wouldn't shift over. And if you look down in here, there's a shifter bushing that's supposed to be right there underneath those two pegs, and it is just disintegrated. So basically what it was doing was it was just letting the shifter here just spin. It's the shifter. Now to actually get this out, you can see right here, this little cut. This fits on those two pins, and you pretty much have to push it down and then turn it to get it to unlock for this shifter to come out of there. Now the rebuild kit's gonna come with this bushing here on the end, and also the new bushing that's gonna fit at the base right here, which will be under those two pins right there. So I'm gonna stick a rag down in the hole to stop debris from going in, and then I'm gonna blow this out right here, get it all cleaned up. We'll get this re-greased and put the new bushings in and see how she shifts.